All right, go to week 15. That's what we were working on, right? Okay. Here are our teams. Here's the average and the median for each team. Here's what I want you to do. So go to your home page. Oop. I think that's what your version does this. Open up a new workbook. Everybody do that? Go back. Dang it. Okay, everybody got a empty workbook out. Okay, go back to week 15. Copy your teams, the averages, and median. So copy column A, B, and C.
We don't need the average weight?
Nah, don't worry about that one. I don't know, maybe we should. No, do the averages and the median. That's fine. All right. Control C, remember. Now go to the workbook that you just created. Put it in A1 and hit Control V. Okay. Here's what I'm going to do is I want to create a number that kind of tells me how good these teams are based on just these numbers. What would you do? One number to tell you how good a team is. Well, which one? What are you going to do? How are you going to compute this number? You got to take both defense and offense into effect.
The positive number?
Positive number.
Wait.
It's all right.
Range.
The average?
Average of what?
Of both offense and defense.
No, probably not. Here's the deal. Based on these two, based on the defense and offense, what does a good team look like as far as the numbers go for offense and defense?
Low.
Offense is bigger, right? Defense would be lower. How can you express that as one number?
Oh, offense minus defense.
You can subtract. What'd you say?
Yeah, offense minus defense.
Yeah, let's do that. So here's what I want you to do. So here we'll put, I don't know, how good. So we're going to make our own equation. So equals, so we want the offense minus the defense. So if this number comes up negative, what does that mean? That's bad. What's that? Yeah, you're totally right. Yeah, you got it. Yeah, you're on it. Okay, hit return. So we don't want to do this for all of these. And by the way, Seattle or St. Louis doesn't look too good. Here's what I want you to do is I want you to copy the first two columns. So that number you just created, negative 4.38, copy the one right underneath it, hit Control C, then go down to D5, which is right underneath the 2 you just copied. Select everything else. What are we going to paste?
Formulas.
Yes, thank you. Oh, formulas. Boink. So, yeah. Copy function. Okay, select these. Now we're going to do the same one for the median. We don't have to do that again. We just select this whole row. Remember, grab in the corner where you see that little crossfire thing and pull it over.
Colors on it too?
What's that?
Colors on it?
Colors on it? Yeah, you can if you want. I think that would be good. Actually, here's what we're going to do. On this conditional formatting, Let's go data bars. Does everybody have data bars?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do you think? Gradient or let's go solid. Let's go. Somebody give me a color.
Red.
Red. Silver, of course, silver. So this kind of gives you an idea if you look at this will give you an idea which way the data is going. Anything with a red mark that's going to the left of the thing is a negative number. Anything going to the right of the middle of the cell is a positive number. Now here's what we do. Go to the top here. I'm going to say how good. Okay. Hit descending. So sort descending. Z to A. Oh, wait. How'd that... Didn't work out. Oh, wait. Sorry. Go undo. Go undo real quick. Did everybody do undo?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's what we have to do is if we sort it, it's keeping those formulas where they are. So now we got to get rid of the formulas, but keep the numbers. So select the two columns that we just created. Hit Control C. Now here's what I want you to do. Paste values. Everybody do that?
My spreadsheet's behind. So.
I know. Like I said, we're recording this. Now go to the top and hit descending. Oh, look at this. So top 12 go to the playoffs, right? These are my predictions who are going to be in the playoffs.
It's gonna be Giants and Patriots Super Bowl again.
No, I got Carolina and New England.
No, I mean like every 4 years, Giants go like 8-8 when they go to the Super Bowl.
I know, they're crazy.
Oakland's not up there, so that's false.
That's not what the data says. And in fact, Oakland, let's see. Here's
The top two teams don't always go to the Super Bowl.
no. This is just our educated guess, right?
Did you do this last year?
Yes, and we did guess it.
You did guess it?
Yes.
Well, those are the two top performing teams in the divisions, anyways, right?
Again, though, we didn't look at their records at all, right? We didn't look at win or loss or anything like that. That's a key thing about this, guys. All we did was look at their scores. We didn't look at their win-loss record, nothing. Based on how much they score and how much they give away, we were able to basically construct a number to show us which are probably the better teams. Based on this, I would say Carolina, New England, Arizona, Cincinnati, Seattle, KC, Pittsburgh, Green Bay, Denver, New Jersey, Buffalo, and New York Giants are gone. Are any
We
of
have 4 from the NFC though, so
Oh, yeah.
balanced.
So we are going to have to balance this out.
Yeah.
But this would be my prediction, guys. I predict Carolina and New England will end up in the Super Bowl.
Carolina.
Arizona fan.
It's gonna be Carolina and
take
Denver.
Patriots' place.
Yeah, where is Arizona? Is Arizona? Oh, Arizona's like third, aren't they?
That's why we beat you.
Yeah, what was the reasoning for that? Like, why did the Raiders win?
Oh, we talked about that.
We did.
Give me an overview.
It's because the model changed. Is that they got a new quarterback. So with Brock, it's hard to model. Basically, we use the entire season to try to basically see how much, to calculate their score. But most of the score was generated by Peyton.
So you're saying that we're better off with Manning?
Yes.
So we get Manning in the playoffs, even though he threw for 17 picks?
Yes. I would say that. That when we looked at it, the reason that why we lost, it wasn't because our defense. It was because our offense underperformed a lot. And that was the reason. And in fact, our defense did better. We actually tracked it. If you go watch some of the lectures, we actually tracked the progress of the offense over the season. You could see it just like dip off. Yeah, it was terrible. No worries though, because Oakland's also going down. So, yes.
How do you get those bars again? Like, that are from left to right?
Yeah, you basically select the column, go to conditional formatting. You should see data bars. Just select any of those. So when you guys did this, do you have Carolina at the top? Did everybody get that?